everybody come sit over here. There's plenty of seats right here, and there's so much better. This is the splash zone. Don't you want to be in the splash zone? Come on, you guys are all positioned in seats that are much more comfortable. Welcome to Improv Nation! Alright, so this is Improv Nation's veteran team. Now the veteran team are for people who've been in a show and have been in the organization for a year, and we go off on nights like this, and we hide in secret places, and we train each other in interesting and different forms of improv that are, I know, right? It sounds so creepy. Alright? So what you're going to see tonight and what you can expect from veteran shows are things that are different and weird and exciting and dangerous and probably more difficult. So we're going to be putting ourselves on a limb today. Now we have 8 people on the veteran show right now, so please welcome great person of the club, Frankie Griffin. Frankie Griffin is going to be our host for this show. So what we're going to be doing with the format, Frankie and I are going to help explain it, is we're going to be playing a format called Red Rover. Isn't that right, Frankie?
That is right, Travis.
And for Red Rover, what's going to happen is we're going to have 2 nations just like we do in normal shows, but whenever one nation wins, they get to say, Red Rover, we want you to come over, and they steal a player. This means that over time, the odds can be imbalanced, and you can see a normal improv scene trying to be played with only 1 person on one nation and 7 on the other. Alright? So the odds can get imbalanced and things will get really weird. It might not sound that challenging now, but just wait until the odds are balanced and you see games that maybe you saw at the last show or at shows before that now have a new twist of difficulty with less or more players. Alright? So that's how it's going to work. So without further ado, go Frankie, go!
Alright, to start, we're going to do a little...
We're balanced!
Okay, have some of that. But just so we warm up, and just as a practice game, it doesn't count for anything, we're going to have you guys play rock, paper, scissors, infinity. Now how that's going to work... Whoa. Aren't you 2 the captains?
Yes.
Yeah,
You know how to play.
Alright.
Yeah.
They don't.
Alright. That's fine.
Alright.
So, how this works is it's like rock, paper, scissors, and then anything you can imagine. And you're all going to pick which one would win. So if he picks Batman and he picks Spider-Man, you guys got to decide which one wins by round of applause, not by long arguments on the internet. It's not how we're settling it. We're going to clap here. You can argue later. So I guess we'll just start with round 1. Nations, are you ready for this practice game? Rock, paper, scissors, infinity! You are?
I'm Space FDR on a new deal to Mars.
And you have thrown down?